Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you a tutorial how to mock up or change color of photos on Canva. So actually this tutorial for you who subscribe the pro version of Canva. I'm not sure if you are using the free version, this feature available or not, but if you're subscribed, this feature is really cool, very easy to use how to change the color. So this method very useful for you or who's selling something online that maybe you just bootstrapping your budget. You just photo shoot for one products, but actually the color available so many, and then you can mock up the color. So let me show you. So this is the example of swan. I want to change this swan into black color. Okay, what you have to do, you just click the image, and then you can click edit on the upper here. Click edit, and then you on this one Magic Studio, you can scroll to the right and you can find this magic edit. Okay, after that there are two options, brush or click. You can brush which area you want to change the color, or you can just click let AI classified which element on your photos. So let's say I will use this click, and then I will click this swan. The thing is, the swan not really clear picture, since this is these are grass covering some of the part of the swan, but no problem. Let's try. Just put the prompt, very simple prompt, please turn the swan into black color. So we can click generate and wait for a while, maybe a minute. Later, the swan will be turned into black color. Not so perfect. If you want to perfect, I suggest you to use like Photoshop and so on. See, less than 1 minute, I have my black swan right here. As you can see, the image not so clear, I think, because once again I told you before that grass covering the swan, so the result not so good. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope you can get insight from this video, and then I hope this method useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.